Namaste. I will quickly show you Swindon Town Centre. Over here is the Swindon Hindu Centre, which is the prayer room and community space. And opposite Short Cafe is another mandir. And over here, behind me is the Central Library of Swindon. So let's go. See, it's the Cutting Char, which is a restaurant and bar. It's the Bombay street food, and you can eat thali, mixed bhaji buns, and also lassi, faluda, and everything there. Dosa, chaats, biryani, curry bowls, etc. See, it's Mandovi over here, which is an Indian and Indonesian Chinese restaurant. See, there, Swindon Town Centre, the whole town centre is over there. Just behind me is Best Food, which is a Sri Lankan and Indian groceries shop. And it has also just been opened just like few months before. Now the time has arrived for me to drink boba. That was all I'm waiting for. Here is tea leaves. See, it's buy one get one free, but it's only on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, but today is Saturday.
With the cream. Whipped cream. Do you want any topping berry buns, jelly, tapioca? And also whipped cream.
I have got vanilla flavor milk tea, which has whipped cream on top and some tapioca pearls at the bottom. And I've also got this. And when my order is ready, they will call me to get it. It looks so tempting and tasty as well. this is the place where we ended part 1 of the video, and now I have ended part 2, which is I have covered the whole town center. So now I'm going to end my video, but before I end my video, I'm going to feed some birds. Oh, that was scary.
Bye.
Okay, my viewers, I'm going to end my video here. Bye bye, like and subscribe.